welcome back to SS Fad Allah. So, my name is Sarah and this is my sister. Okay, today we're gonna show you how to make slime. So, we got some shaving cream, we got some water. You're gonna show them like this. Got some water, and we got some Persil. It's a kind of soap. It's called Persil. So you're gonna do your. If you don't have Persil, it's okay. You can use borax powder. Okay, we're gonna now make the. Oh, I forgot the glue. 1 minute, guys. I'll bring it and come back for you. Okay, we brought the glue. We're gonna make the glue slime. Slime glue or glue slime. What does it called? And we got 4 spoons. Just for.
We are choosing
Yeah, for the
using.
And we got 2 sponges if we need to clean or something. Okay, let's start. First, we're gonna pour in the glue. I don't have only one. It's new. No, this one. Ew. Okay, I open this. Oh, we're gonna. Okay, guys, we'll pour the glue and come back to you. Okay, I just pour some glue in. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's time for the Persil. I'm gonna put one spoon
because we just have.
It's good. Okay, start mixing. Whoa, it's forming. It's forming. Wow. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh,
It's forming.
it's a slime.
Yeah, it's already slime. It's forming. Shall we pour another some shaving cream?
Just
Okay, you mix it. I will bring some shaving cream. It's too much. It's too much. Okay. Can you move a little? Okay. Oh my gosh. How am I supposed to? Oh, okay. I did it. One more.
yeah.
This is what makes it fluffy. Because the shaving cream is actually fluffy. Oh my gosh, it's stuck in the spoon. Okay, let's keep the shaving cream here so we can make another one. I think you need more Persil.
No, there's nothing because it smells like fluffy. So it's gonna put some.
Yeah, can you pour some? I think it needs 1 cup of water. I mean 1 spoon.
You need more.
Okay, guys, we will mix it and come back to you. Okay, we're mixing and. Boo-boo, Lucy. Go. Oh my gosh. Whoa. This is impossible. Okay, you can. Oh yeah. Okay, I think we have to mix it with our hands now.
No, it will be.
Okay, let's put a drop of Persil.
Yeah, first we mix something.
Okay, can you move? Yeah, this much. Oh my gosh, it's dropping all over the table. Okay, let me mix it, sister. Yes. Oh my gosh, I think. Okay, guys, we'll mix it and come back to you. Okay, guys, we decided to mix it with our hands now. Yeah.
I want to mix it. With
Oh my
hand.
gosh.
Oh my
Okay, let me show guys a little bit.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, it lifted out from the container.
Put it there.
No. What are you? You want to make it not good. Bring me that container. Oh my gosh, move this one.
It will be sticky. Just put it.
Yeah. No, it won't. You have to mix it. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky.
Can I mix it?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, my hands are dirty. I don't like wasting. Raf, I think we have to put a little bit persil because we didn't put too much persil.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, it's the one to make it squishy. Oh my gosh, it's squishy and stretchy and fluffy. This is stretchy, a squishy, and the fluffy slab. Okay, let's mix it with the spoon now to add 1 persil.
Also, oh see, I just have a slime here. Oh my god, see, just see that.
Okay, let's mix it. I add some persil.
I think when you add persil with this, it's make a slime.
Without glue.
Without glue, I just try it now, see?
Okay, let's make another video afterwards, right? Maybe we'll put it in YouTube. Because it's too hard to put it in YouTube.
Oh my gosh, it's all sticking to my fingers.
Oh my gosh, I dipped this one in here. Some of persil. Yeah. Oh my gosh, wait. My sponge is this one. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh yeah. What is this?
What is it? Can I just touch
Yeah,
it?
but it's so fluffy, I can't let it.
Whoa!
Okay, let me try to make it with some.
It's not actually making with others. It's just.
Oh, it farted.
I know. Oh my
Oh
gosh.
my gosh. Okay, let's pour some persil in this. I guess no need for glue.
Yeah, I think.
This is what you told me to do. Oh, they're nice lemon.
Try.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna mix it.
No, please. You do this. It's gonna drop. Whoa!
Oh my gosh.
No, it doesn't freeze.
You think? I think it's.
No.
I think.
Yeah, I think it needs.
It needs some of this.
No. Actually, it needs some persil.
Wow! It's like how I could say it.
Ralph, don't waste it. You have to make it. Gosh, it's farted again. Okay.
We must have put it as something.
Oh, I think just a little bit of glue can make it good, but I don't have. Okay, I think we need some water for this slime. The water spoon.
What we must do is just flatten it.
I need some water.
And I need this slime to be good.
Oh my gosh, I'm too thirsty. I didn't drink water at all this year. Whoa, it's actually slime. Guys,
See,
no need for glue, guys.
See, it's making a sound.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Ah, it sticks to my fingers. It's so sticky, but very cool. Oh my gosh, guys, see? I'm checking the slime now, guys. Check out, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands with this one. Later, I'm gonna wash it with water and soap after this video. Oh my gosh.
Come see how it's fluffy.
Yeah, you're not letting me in. Can I see? Oh my gosh. Guys, check out. Oh my gosh. Mom. Okay, 1 minute. My mom is calling. I guess that is all the video. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe.